What if every child could unlock the power of innovation with just a press of a button? Introducing Quarky Intellio. Just code it, mount it, and watch it come to life. The gateway to the world of artificial intelligence and augmented reality. With a built-in camera, microphone, speakers, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and many more. This programmable board brings advanced concepts like computer vision, autonomous navigation, and speech recognition into experiential learning. Build your own self-driving car. It follows roads, reads traffic lights, and delivers orders. Avoids pedestrians. With Intellio's Smart Vision, Tiny ML, and AR Cube, the future is in your hands.
So Intellio is a fun tool even for makers like me. Like, check out this balloon popper project that we made using it. How cool it is!
Or train it to listen and teach it to recognize, just like a pet that follows your voice.
Leo stand, Leo sit.
Tracks its favorite ball and takes even a picture.
Leo take a photo.
It plugs in with your favorite boards, sensors, and motors seamlessly. Code your robot team. Set up the field and let the match begin. Your robot spots the ball, finds the goal using AR trackers, and it's a goal. With card recognition, your robot moves, thinks, and fights on its own. All fun and no work can also make Jack a dull boy. Make Intellio your true desk companion, which is powered by voice recognition.
What's the square root of 2?
The square root of 2 is 1.414.
Face tracking, object detection, and ChatGPT to either solve your doubts or safeguard your stuff.
After 4 years of using Corki and PictoBlocks with Stempedia, I can say Intellio is another exciting kit.
And the most exciting addition is the onboard camera. Hooray!
It's a true revolution in robotics education.
Quarky Intellio. Build your way into the world of AI and AR.